Is there any shortcut to iterate through Excel's worksheet tabs? Is there any keyboard shortcut to iterate through Excel's worksheet tabs more easily? Maybe something that would allow me to see all the tabs together and select one of them to switch to it.
Right-click on any bottom corner left arrow keys. You will see list of all sheets and select the required sheet on the workbook. Refer my screenshot.
Windows. Switch between worksheets, CTRL-PGDN or TROPA. Switch between workbooks, Ctrl-Tab or Ctrl-Shift-Tab. Macos. Switch between worksheets, FNCTRL or FNCTRL, or Control on a keyboard with numpad. Switch between workbooks, Ctrl-Tab.
For Mac OS X. To switch between tabs in a worksheet, Fn plus Command plus up/down.
To cycle between sheets, press Option plus, left or right arrow.
Ele é um bate-closet importante, que é essa conceita subscribe.